Time for 96.7 Yes FM Entertainment News.
Now with COVID, they spent 9 months apart.
Yes, they did.
And I think having relied on only FaceTime and Zoom,
it can either make you or break you.
Exactly. And in
there's
this
no
case,
happy medium. In this case, it
made
seems
them.
like it made them stronger and better.
Yeah.
Courteney Cox and her boyfriend Johnny Mcdaid, well, they're allegedly making plans to get married.
Yeah.
Yeah, last year they literally went 9 months, did not see each other in person, could only do the FaceTime, Zoom, phone call, texting, all that. They can hardly believe their wait's almost over, where they can finally get married, allegedly, be together, see each other all the time. They say they want like a smaller wedding because it's Johnny's first wedding.
Right.
But she said, you know what, I'm going to let him plan it because I've been married before. She was married to David, what's his name there? Arquette. So, you know, let Johnny have his day, and I'm just happy I get to be with my guy.
Yeah.
So good for them.
I don't know that they'll go for this because I think the folks who produce The Bachelor really kind of want to be able to control the person that's hosting the show. And I think if you got this guy as host, he doesn't need the job or the money, so he may say what he wants.
He's also, if you've ever followed him on Twitter or anything else, a bit of a hothead, very opinionated, great actor, has been in a ton of stuff, including Deep Blue Sea. But Michael Rapaport, yeah.
I love that movie.
Yeah, who are you going to trust? Me,
I
me,
love
that's
that
who. That's who
movie.
you're going to trust. That's his line in there. But apparently he says he wants to replace Chris Harrison as the full-time host of The Bachelor because he thinks he'd do a better job than current guest host David Spade. He's been quoted by Entertainment Tonight as saying, I would do it with a zest, a passion, a dramatic flair, and I would do great. I'll be honest. I felt disrespected and nobody came for me. Was it called The Bachelor in Paradise? Yeah, total disrespect. So he's been in the business 30 years, and he says, I've known David for all these years, and I tell him the same thing to his face. I love you, but I'm better at this than you would be.
Wow.
Yeah, so woo, them's fighting words.